You want to advance someone some money from the church to go and do some purchases on behalf of the church. You either have you use petty cash or you want to use money from the bank, but the idea is you want to advance somebody some money and you want them to go and purchase something on behalf of the church, bring the receipts, and then you record the expenses. So this is how it works in ACMS. So you come under expenses and you click on advance slash petty cash. After this, you click on new and you select the account where the money is coming from. If it's your bank account, you select your bank. The department that is asking, for instance, we can say it was youth. And in the amount, we say they asked for 2,500. And the date when we are giving them the money is today. And then this was received by, we'll say Karabo. This person has to be a member of your church and must be in the ACM membership side for you to pick them up. And then you can say advance payments, advance payment for youth books. Okay. And then once you do this, you click on save. And what the system does now is it records the advance that you have given to this person. It shows the name. All right. So once now you have given out the money, you have printed the given them the voucher. They've signed for the money that they have received, and you have kept this for your record so that you know who was given the money. And it's an IOU, not it's a cash advance voucher, which you can then do. It shows the amount and the department, what the money was taken for, and the account that was used to give that money. And then if they return with change, for instance, you will now click on this little orange button and you say, well, they didn't give us back money in the bank, they gave us cash. So now the change is coming to registered cash, and the change, for instance, out of that 2.5 was maybe 200. The receiver is Karabo, and you say, okay, this is the money that we received from Karabo from the advance. So you can now say from the advance that we gave them to buy books. And then once you click on save, now you see the registered cash account will be credited with this 200, and it will increase the balance of the registered cash by 200. If it was the bank, you can now say the money was paid back to the bank. You select the account here. If it was mobile money, Eco Cash, or whatever you use in your countries, you can then select the account that received the change. And then once you do that, now we want to go and record the expenses. If you come to the expenses now you are recording the receipts that you have before you. You just do the same way we do the receipts, and you come and you say youth here. And as you can see, this department is in advance of that. So now you don't even need to specify the payment side for such. You can just come and say, okay, they bought books, for instance. Let's just look for some expense here. Any photocopies for the books. And then you say the date, put the date, you say the amount, and you say, okay, so the receipt that they brought back to us out of that 2.5 was 2,000, because remember the change that we've recorded is already the 500. It was an invoice, you put the details and you click on include. And this way you have basically recorded the expenses that were incurred by that department from that advance, and you have also dealt with the matter of the change that you have sorted out, received from that person and sorted out. So this is how we deal with petty cash and related recording of expenses once they've been incurred using that method. Thank you.